Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, but it doesn't really matter because we will still open the general settings. I also wanted to draw attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to share with you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear after resetting. All we need to do now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's do it. And here let's enter settings. Now we need to scroll all the way down and find reset settings and tap on it. Then tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.